Good afternoon, S.Y.B.Sc student. Today we are going to discuss the paper first from semester first, taxonomy of angiosperm and plant ecology, and chapter third is the study of plant families. And from this chapter third, the eighth family is Amaryllidaceae. Amaryllidaceae is the family of the Polyanthus tuberosa. It is known as Nishigandha or Gulchedi, which is monocotyledonous family. And in this family, there is the absence of the calyx and corolla, but only perianth is present. So pay attention here. This is the figure of this member of this family, that is the Polyanthus tuberosa, which is known as Nishigandha, and this is the actual plant of this family. Amaryllidaceae family have the 80 genera and 2258 species are distributed throughout the world, and out of these the 64 genera and 1400 species are reported from India. Means this family is not so small, it is large family, and maximum members are reported from the India as a Indian species. Then classification of this family, division is phanerogams, that is the flowering plants. Then subdivision is angiosperms, that is the flowers are so attractive. Ovules are enclosed in the ovary. And class is the monocotyledons, that is monocotyledons have its own character, that is seed with single cotyledon. Leaves are with parallel venation. And one more thing, that is flowers are always trimerous. They shows the calyx and corolla in the form of 3. Then series is epigyne. Name itself indicates that the flowers are epigynous, that is ovary is imperial, and calyx and corolla are absent, but perianth are found in the 2 verse, that is 3 plus 3, and flowers have androecium and gynoecium. So flowers are bisexual. Then family is Amaryllidaceae. Plants are monocotyledon. They are annual. They complete their life cycle within 1 year. And stem which is underground, which is known as the corm, which is present in the form of corm or the rhizome, which is underground part, that is the stem. And inflorescence is the racemose type. This racemose type have the subtype, that is the spike type of inflorescence. Then perianth are 6 in 2 verse, 3 plus 3, and they looks like as a petal. They are colored, so they are petaloid. Then genus is Polyanthus and the species is tuberosa, and vernacularly it is known as the Nishigandha or Gulchedi. Then morphological characters of family. Pay attention here. When we observe this plant habit, these plants are annual or sometimes they are perennial. And stem is to this plant, there is the stem which is underground rhizome or corm or the bulb, and by which the new plant is formed. So this is the underground, as it is monocot, it have the underground rhizome, corm or bulb. Then these are the leaves. So as this plant belongs to the monocot, these leaves shows the parallel venation. They have the veins which are parallelly found, and such leaf having the linear nature or radial leaves are there. We can say that the leaves are radial. or they are radial leaves are there. And these radial leaves, or we can say that radical leaves are there. These radical leaves have, each leaf have the seeding leaf base. What is meaning of this seeding leaf base? That is, near to the leaf base there are the such type of the broad petiole like structure is there, which covers the 75% part of the stem, which is known as seeding leaf base. And these leaves has the at the leaf base or near to the seeding leaf base there are the hairs are present. Then one more thing, that is the inflorescence is racemose, which is the main type of the inflorescence, that is racemose. Older flowers are present at the base and younger flowers, these are the buds. So younger flowers are present at the apex. This is the nature of racemose type of inflorescence, that is the formation of the flower is in the form of acropetal succession, that is base to the apex. First flower is found at the base and newly formed flower they are found at the apex region. So they shows the such type of the nature, that is inflorescence having the acropetal type of succession. Older flowers at the base and younger flowers are present at the apex. And subtype of this racemose is the spike type of inflorescence. Spike means what? No doubt the older flowers are present at the base, younger flowers are present at the apex, but one more thing is that the all flowers are sessile, and such type of the inflorescence is known as the spike type of inflorescence. Just like I told you, the flowers are sessile, it have the outgrowth at the base, so bracteate. Calyx, corolla are absent, but only androecium and gynoecium are present. So two parts are missing, so flower is incomplete. We can mix the two and more than two parts of this flower, so attractive and actinomorphic. So one more thing, androecium and gynoecium are present, that is the bisexual. Uri is inferior, that is all floral whorls are above and uri is below to that, pay attention there. And other parts are arises from the above portion. So uri is epigynous, and calyx and corolla they are 6 in number. Sorry, that is perianth, they are 6 in number. So they are trimerous, they are 3 or in multiple of 3, so they are known as trimerous, and they are sweet scented. So there, when we observe this flower, which is whitish pink in color, sorry, whitish yellow in color, and they are sweet scented. Perianth are these parts, these. So they are 6 in number, and they are found in 2 series. 3 are inner, pay attention here. 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 are inner and 3 are outer side. So they are found in 2 series, 3 inner side, 3 outer side. So they are tepals are 6, they are arranged in 2 whorls, 3 plus 3. They are united, pay attention here. Each tepals unite to one another. So they are known as gamophilous. They are petaloid. They shows the nature as like the petals. So they are petaloid, tubular with valvate type of aestivation. Pay attention. Valvate type of aestivation is found there. Androecium. These are the inside this one, these all are the androecium. These androecium are epitepalous. They remain attached to the tepals. Pay attention here, internally. Pay attention here. So they are showing like this one, Epitepalous. Stamen 6 in 2 words again, and they are Epiphyllous or Epitepalous. Filament long and slender. This filament is comparatively very long. Anthers shows the basifix condition and diathecus. They are such type of the bilobed structure is there. Then gynoecium. This is the gynoecium. Tricarpellary, 3 chambers are there. 1, 2, 3. Tricarpellary syncarpus. Uri is inferior, no doubt. With placenta arises from the center. So, pay attention here. Placenta arises from the center. So, tricarpellary syncarpus, inferior uri with axial placentation. Then, 2 ovules in each locule. In each locule, in each chamber, 2 ovules are found. Style is slender, long, and stigma is trilobed. Trilobed stigma is found there. And fruit is of the capsule type. Then floral formula. Floral formula is the flowers having the bract. So bracteate, we can mix the 2 equal part, that is actinomorphic. Androecium and gynoecium are present, so they are showing such type of the bisexual nature. Then perianth, they are 6, 3 plus 3, and they are gamophilous. Then androecium, stamens are 6, 3 plus 3, but they are free, and they are Epitepalous. Epiphyllous we can say. Gynoecium, tricarpellary, syncarpus, inferior uri. Pay attention here again. Bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual. Perianth, 3 plus 3, they are 6 in number, they are found in 2 words. They are gamophilous. Androecium, they are 6 in number, 3 plus 3, Epitepalous. Gynoecium, tricarpellary, syncarpus, inferior uri. Then floral diagram. This floral diagram having the calyx and corolla are absent. Instead of that, there are the presence of tepals. These tepals are 6 in number, and out of these 6, 3 are on outer side and 3 are on inner side. These are 3 which are inner side. So they are showing the 2 hairs, 3 outer side, 3 inner side. And gynoecium is there, that is when we observe this androecium, these androecium remains attached to the tepals internally. So they are known as Epitepalous or Epiphyllous. They are 6 in number, they are attached to the tepals internally. So they are known as Epiphyllous or Epitepalous. Gynoecium is tricarpellary, then syncarpus, inferior uri with axial placentation. Placenta arises from the central axis, so that shows the axial type of placentation. One more thing, each chamber, this is single chamber, this is second chamber, and this one is the third chamber. 3 chambers are there. So uri is tricarpellary. So each chamber have the 2 ovules. This is the nature of this one. And as bract is present, so it is known as bracteate, and flowers have the actinomorphic condition. Typical character of the family. Distinguishing characters of the family. The plant is annual or perennial herb with rhizome or corm or bulb which is underground. The leaves are usually radical, they are simple, linear, and stipules are absent, so exstipulate with parallel venation. Flowers having calyx and corolla are absent, but flowers have androecium and gynoecium, so they are bisexual, and they shows the trimerous nature, that is perianth are 3 and flower is epigynous, uri is inferior, so flower is epigynous. Then fourth one, tepals are 6 in 2 verse, 3 plus 3 petaloid. They are gamophilous and tubular. Then stamens, they are 6 in 2 verse, base fixed. Uri tricarpellary, syncarpus, inferior uri with axial placentation, and fruit is of capsule type. Then economic importance of the family. This is the first plant, Polyanthus tuberosa, which is known as tuberose or nishigandha or gulchadi. It is cultivated by the farmer, by the worker, by the scientist, or so many farmers for its sweet scented attractive flowers. Flowers are very sweet scented and they are attractive. So from this flower sometimes the perfume are prepared. One more thing, these flowers are used for the preparation of the garland or veni. These flowers are used in the bouquet or they are used in the flower pots. The next plant is the Agave americana, which is known as the Gaikwad. It is cultivated for its fiber, that is the leaves of this plant is detached from this plant, they are allowed to soak in water, and after certain period of time when they fully soaks in the water, these leaves have the fibers inside the leaves. So these fibers are used for the preparation of the ropes, and roots of this plant are diuretic property. This is one more lily, that is Amaryllis belladonna, which is known as Easter lily. This Easter lily is cultivated in garden or the parks for its attractive pinkish colored flower. Then next one is the Crinum asiaticum, which is known as crinum lily, or it is known as the American lily. This American lily is cultivated in the parks or the garden for its attractive flowers. Then Hemnocallis caribea. The Hemnocallis caribea is known as the lily plant, and it is also cultivated in the garden for its attractive colored flower. So these are the economic importance of the family Amaryllidaceae, which is the family of tuberose, that is the Polyanthus tuberosa. So thank you very much. This is sufficient for today. Stay home, stay safe, have a nice day. Thank you very much.